These are small alphabets of English. Let's learn how to write. A. Small a. Very good. B. Small b. Very good. C. Small c. Very good. D. Small d. Amazing. E. Small e. Very good. F. Small f. Amazing. G. Small g. Nice. H. Small h. Amazing. I. Small I. Good. Very good. J. Small j. Good attempts. K. Small k. Good job. L. Small l. Good. M. Small m. Good job. N. Small n. Very nice. O. Small o. Good job. P. Small p. Very nice. Very nice. Q. Small q. Good. Very good. R. Small r. Good job. S. Small s. It's nice. T. Small t. Good right. U. Small u. Good job. V. Small v. Very nice. W. Small w. Very good. Very good. X. Small x. Good job. Y. Small y. Nice. Z. Small z. Amazing.